Masruq says, I visited Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha while Hazrat Hassan radiyallahu anhu was sitting in her company and reading out his poetic verses to her. He was reciting, she is a dignified, chaste woman who is not polluted with any calumnious thing. She gets up in the morning with a stomach empty of chaste women's flesh. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said to him, but you were not like it. Masruq submitted, you permit such a person to sit in your company, whereas Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has said, and among them he who took the greater share, for him is the mighty torment. Surah Light, verse 11. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha whereupon said, which torment is greater than to become blind in the world? Hassan would make reply to the objection raised by the infidels on behalf of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6341.